Hello, how do we solve this nice algebra problem? X plus y equal to 2, xy equal to 48. From this line, we have x equal to 2 minus y. By moving this y to the right hand side, now let us replace this particular x with 2 minus y. So from this line, we have 2 minus y times y equal to 48. 2 times y, that is 2y, minus y times y, that is minus y square, equal to 48. This implies that y square minus 2y plus 48 is equal to 0. By rearranging this equation, we have this. Let's continue. We can solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula, that is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, everything divided by 2 times a. From this equation, our a is equals to 1, coefficient of y square, and b is equals to minus 2, the coefficient of y, and c is equals to 48. Let's continue. Y is equal to minus, what is b? B is minus 2. So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square. That will be minus 2 all squared minus 4 into a is equals to 1 into c is 48. Everything divided by 2 into 1. Let's continue. Y equal to minus times minus 2, that is 2, plus or minus square root of minus 2 all squared, that is simply 4, minus 4 times 1 times 48, that is 192, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. So we have y equal to 2 plus or minus square root of, what is 4 minus 192? That is minus 188, divided by 2. Y equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 188 could be written as square root of negative 1 times square root of 188, divided by 2. So our y is equal to 2 plus or minus, don't forget, from the complex number, square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So that means we have I here times square root of 188. Everything divided by 2. Let's proceed further. Y equal to 2 plus or minus I. We can also rewrite square root of 188 as square root of 4 times square root of 47. So this guy become square root of 4 times square root of 47, divided by 2. Let's continue. Y equal to 2 plus or minus I. What is square root of 4? That is 2 times square root of 47, divided by 2. What do you notice here? You will notice that 2 is common. We can factor it out. So that will be 2 into 1 plus or minus I times square root of 47, divided by 2. Y equal to, clearly 2 cancels 2. We are left with 1 plus or minus I times root 47. This implies that y is either equal to 1 plus I times root 47, or y is equal to 1 minus I times root 47. Thus, we have two values for y. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of x. So, since x is equal to 2 minus y. Let me show you where we got this from. It's from this line. Let's proceed further. Now let's consider each value of y. When y is equal to this first 1 plus I times root 47, what is x? We just have to plug this value of y into this equation to get x. So that will be x equal to 2 minus this 1 plus I times root 47. X equal to 2 minus times 1, that is minus 1, minus times plus, that is minus I times square root of 47. So x equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, minus I times square root of 47. So the first solution, which is x comma y, is equal to, our x is 1 minus I times root 47, comma, and value of y is this guy, 1 plus I times root 47. The next thing to do now is to consider the second value of y, which is this. Let's manage this side. So when y is equal to 1 minus I times square root of 47, what is x? Let's just plug this value into this equation. So we have x equal to 2 minus 1 minus I times square root of 47. X equal to 2 minus times 1, that is minus 1, minus times minus, that is plus I times square root of 47. So x is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus I times square root of 47. Since we have values for x and y, that is our second solution. So let us put it down. The second solution, x comma y, is equal to, x is 1 plus I root 47, 1 plus I times square root of 47, comma, and y is 1 minus I times square root of 47. This is the required solution, and the solution we obtain is a complex solution. Now, let's verify if these solutions are indeed correct. Verify. Using the first equation, x plus y equal to 2. Considering this first solution, this is our x and this is our y. So plugging these values into this left hand side, we simply have 1 minus I times square root of 47 plus y, that is 1 plus I root 47, 1 plus I times square root of 47. This equal to minus I root 47 cancel out, plus I root 47. We are left with 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the first solution is correct. Let's verify the second solution. Similarly, this is our x and this is our y. Plugging this value of x and y here, we simply have 1 plus I times square root of 47 plus 1 minus I times square root of 47. This equal to I root 47 minus I root 47 goes. We are left with 1 plus 1, which is 2. This is also exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the second solution is also correct. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.